Hello, everybody. I'm excited to be here with you today, and thank you for all those that asked how I was feeling. I'm feeling much better, thank you. We're going to get in today to three basics of law of attraction and manifesting what you want. There's more, but these are the three basic ones to get you started. Number one is to feel good, to feel happy, to do things that make you feel happy and joyful, to be in a state of gratitude for where you are right now in this moment, to feel excited about waking up in the morning. And even if you have to do this on purpose, go around your house and be grateful for the cup of coffee that you have, or the cup of tea, the hot and cold running water, the bed that you just got out of. Be happy and find places as you go along and on purpose become grateful and happy for the things you already have. You're going to feel better automatically, and you're going to automatically attract better things into your life to feel good about. This is just a law of receiving what you're giving out. You're giving out good feelings to the universe. You're giving out praise to God and thankfulness. That in return is going to bring in more things for you to be grateful for. And I can attest to this. This week has been amazing for me. Just one synchronicity after another, things coming into my life. I just am so excited to see what shows up today. It's just been an amazing week. And I pray that your week is amazing also. Number two is the 17-second rule. Excuse me. While you're visualizing what it is you want to manifest, you can be anywhere, just be daydreaming about how you want things to be in your life. Most people, I know I do, visualize the end result. What is it going to feel like when I get my new car? What is it going to feel like when I'm walking through my dream house and putting all my stuff in my house and decorating it the way I want it? What is it going to feel like? That's what you want to concentrate on, is the feeling. And you want to hold these feelings, these good, powerful feelings, for at least 17 seconds and a minute if you can. This starts the manifestation process to bring what you want in your life into your reality. It's amazing and it works. And we work on a vibrational level. We don't know this. Most of our lives, we're not taught this. But the whole universe works on vibrations, on feelings, on frequencies. And we need to match the frequency of what we want, whether it's money, a house, a car, whatever it is. There, everything around us is just energy. Everything we see is made out of energy, and that's a scientific fact. So, if we can hold the good, powerful feelings for 17 seconds or more, we can start that process. And that's what we want. We want to go for the good feelings. And since you're already in an attitude of gratitude from number one, this is most easily achieved after you get yourself worked up in gratitude and everything. And then you can visualize whatever it is, even if it's a new refrigerator. It doesn't matter what you want, just hold the good feeling and imagine yourself having it and how you will feel when that thing shows up in your life. It is amazing. Number three is go with the flow. Now, this is status quo for all of us, but most of us hold on so tight that we don't let it unfold. Just let go of the outcome. Let it flow into your life. Just, you don't forget about it. You just forget or let go of how it's going to show up in your life. You don't want to put limits on the universe. The universe cannot fit in a box. It has millions of ways of getting to us what we want. Out of the blue, it doesn't matter. Things show up all the time for me just randomly out of the blue when I least expect it. So you never know when you're going to win that sweepstakes or that scratch off ticket you buy is going to be $20,000. You just don't know. You don't know when a long lost relative is going to leave you money or you're going to find a diamond ring worth $10,000 or more. It has happened. I've heard of it happen. I've read testimonies and I know that miraculous things are showing up in my life, and it just floors me. It's so much fun. But what you want to do, whether it's your career, your finances, or anything, let go of the outcome. There's a million ways for the universe, for God to get you what you want. So just keep that in mind. We hold on too tightly to a way that we think we have to get it. We hold on too tightly that we're checking the mail, we're checking the email every 5 minutes, saying, "Where's my manifestation? Where is it? Where is it?" We don't want to do that. You don't. Just like your Amazon and Walmart orders online, you don't email them every 5 minutes to ask where your package is. You know it's coming, it's yours, you asked for it, you're going to get it in some way, shape, or form. So just wait patiently for it to show up and go about your business and work on another manifestation. This is supposed to be fun, not heartache. It's not supposed to be hard, and you're not supposed to be desperately needing it. In fact, get rid of the need. You don't need anything, is the state of mind that you want to be in. You want to be in right now, right here. You are grateful. I am grateful for what I have right now. I am also grateful for what flows into my life. And I'm grateful for what flows out of my life. It's flowing, it's never ending, it's eternity, it's always producing, it's always working for us. So lighten up and let it flow into your life and have fun with this. That's basically what this is all about, is have so much fun in co-creating with the universe your dream life. And everybody's is different. So with that, I'm going to leave you. God bless you all. You are deeply, divinely loved, and I love and appreciate each one of you. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.